What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Francia here. Today we're gonna be doing two different type of curls. Now, I know you guys have seen my videos with the flexi rods already. I recently purchased dun, 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 perm rods. Now, this is the first time I'm using it, and I've seen some videos of how the curls come out, so I kind of wanted to do a two-in-one video basically. So I wanted to do half of my hair perm rods, half of my hair flexi rods, just to show the difference between these perm rods and the flexi rods, and which curls is better and which one works better as well. So yeah, that's gonna be the video for today. If you are new, thank you for reaching this far in the video, and if you like what you're seeing so far, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. And to all my returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for continuing to watch my content. And yeah, so let's begin this video, guys. Alrighty, guys, so we're done with this half of the hair. I think I put about 9 flexi rods. No, not 9, 8. I think about 10 or 11. So next we're gonna put these on to see. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I think I'll need a bit more because they're a bit shorter. So yeah, we're gonna do it. And yeah, how I saw someone did it. So basically they parted their hair, and then well, if your hair is natural, to kind of stretch the roots, you're gonna want to twist it like so till here, and then you twist it up. So I'll show you the technique, and since I have roots, of course I'm gonna do that same technique as well. So yeah, let's begin. So I saw that she did like a 2-strand twist, and not all the way, like so. And of course detangle the ends, then just hold it tight, bring it down. I'm not sure how to do it, if I should do it like this or like that. I think it's better like this. And then you roll it. I'm going to try to do a spiral as well. And then you take this part and you bring it to the end here, like so. I guess. Let's continue. we are finally finished. Now, as you can see, I did different sizes. So this is a bit smaller than this one, and I also did them differently. So some in the back I twisted the roots and then twisted it, and some of them in the front I didn't. So I just can see, you know, what works best with these perm rods. So tomorrow I'm gonna unravel these bad boys and see which one I prefer. And I know this is the first time using perm rods, so I won't be too harsh on the way it comes out, but maybe I can work with it a different way. And yeah, you guys can also let me know which one you prefer, this one or this one. All right guys, so I'll show you the results tomorrow. Alrighty guys, I'm getting a little closer. This is the first half with the flexi rods. As you all know, my hair is a bit shrinked because I have a lot of new growth. So you're gonna, yeah, see all that shrinkage because of all that new growth. But yeah, as you can see, the curl pattern came out really nice. It's still a little bit damp, which is fine, but it's really nice. Now let's start this side. Alrighty guys, so this is the final results. Now, I'm gonna show you this curl pattern over here. Let me know if you see a difference. Honestly, I do. From my perspective, first thing that I notice is these curls are a bit more loose. Like when I shake my hair, like this feels like really heavy and weighted, and this one feels looser and lighter, and I don't really know why. Maybe it's in the method of the perm rods and just the airiness that it has in the holes. I'm not sure, but there's just something lighter with this side. And also it's not as concentrated as this side. There's a little bit more of a looseness to it. So in order for me to get this part loose, I really have to, you know, pull and tug on it to get that volume. But I think both kind of give you the same, almost the same type of curl pattern. It's just yeah, this feels more loose and it's a little stretched out than this one. And also maybe it can be because my hair has a lot of roots, so I think I'll do this again when my hair is like completely freshly relaxed, and there'll definitely be a difference. So guys, that's about it for this video. Let me know which method is easier and faster for you to use. I post every Wednesdays and Saturdays, so look out for my next video this week. And yeah, just let me know what you think about the tutorial today, and yeah, what's your comments or anything like that. So thanks for watching and see you next time.